Hindi ito isang TV or smart monitor. Ito'y isang ordinary PC monitor lang na hindi nakakabit sa CPU. But I can watch YouTube here, open social media sites, browse the web, write scripts, and even edit videos. Lahat yan nagagawa dahil sa Samsung DeX. And wait, there's more. Ginagamit ko ngayon ang aking phone as I speak to record this introduction while the phone is on DeX mode. So it's amazing.
Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow!
Ang DeX ay isang feature ng iilang Samsung phones that enables users to extend their devices into a desktop-like experience by connecting a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Kaya ang ibig sabihin ng shortcut DeX ay desktop experience. Sinimulan ng Samsung maglagay ng DeX feature sa kanilang Galaxy S8 and then to high-end phones under Galaxy S, Note, and Z Fold series. An exception is the Galaxy A90 5G as the first Galaxy A phone with DeX support. Meron ding mga Galaxy Tab S models starting from Tab S4 na merong DeX feature.
In my case, ginamit ko itong aking 4-year-old Samsung Note 20 Ultra, which is among the Samsung phones which has DeX on it. I have tried already DeX on this phone long time ago, but I had not used it. Tulad ng sinabi ko dito sa aking previous video, I used this phone to shoot and edit videos, and I have already produced over 300 videos for this channel using only the phone. Panoorin nyo itong video na to kung paano ko ginamit ang phone in producing 4K videos with ease.
In preparation for this video, I bought a new USB-C to HDMI cable to connect my phone to the monitor. Some are using USB hubs, but that's an extra already. Samsung has earlier produced DeX station where you can dock your phone. Basically, the station is also a hub, but now you can just use capable cable like this for DeX operation.
Bumili rin ako ng bagong wireless mouse from Xiaomi. I have a separate video about it. Please check on this link here.
Obviously, when you're working on a big screen, you need these two computer peripherals, a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard. But why wireless? Dahil ang ginagamit natin na display or monitor ay walang CPU o walang processor that can work with mouse and keyboard. Dito sa phone, i-connect ang mouse at keyboard kasi ang DeX on the phone is acting like a CPU o computer. That's what DeX is all about, as I've said earlier. So, lahat ng ginagawa mo na changes o recording ay dito sa phone na save.
I have already connected this mouse to my phone earlier, while my A4 Tech FBK30 keyboard was long paired with my phone. I have also a review video about the keyboard. Check it out here.
Hiniram ko lang itong Asus 24-inch monitor from my son's desk. I have already inserted the HDMI connector of the cable to the HDMI port of the monitor. Dito naman sa phone, ang kabilang dulo ng kable which is a USB-C connector. Here it is, but wait, it's not the DeX mode yet. It's just a reflection of the screen on my phone. I'm just mirroring the phone now on the monitor. Para ma-activate ang DeX, punta ka sa pull-down menu ng phone and look for the DeX button. Tap it to activate the DeX, and here comes the DeX. Kung lalabas ka sa DeX, you can exit by going to the lower left of the screen. Itong apps menu at nakalagay dyan sa choices, exit DeX. You can also automatically run DeX once an HDMI cable is connected to the phone. Just go to settings of your phone, connected device, tap Samsung DeX, then turn on the switch for auto start when HDMI is connected. In case you don't have a wireless mouse, you can use your phone, the one you use for DeX mismo, as your touchpad. On the notification bar of your phone, you have here a notification, use your phone as a touchpad. So just in case you don't have a wireless mouse, then you can use your phone as your touch screen like this. So I can select now. Yes. And you can close the touchpad by tapping this X twice. Then you close the touchpad. You can also use the S Pen on the touchpad either on mouse mode, which allows you to touch the pen on the screen, or select the pen mode, which only hovers the screen of the touchpad. But I would prefer the mouse mode. Ito na yung ilan sa mga apps sa aking phone. I can click on this using the mouse.
I can open the files here. So these are my files. And I can also open gallery here. That's my gallery. And of course settings. Restore. So basically everything on your phone can be opened here using the DeX.
If you're looking for the rest of the apps on your phone, go to lower left for the apps menu. There it is. You can navigate the pages for the rest of the apps. I can open all of these apps here by clicking it. To the right ng apps menu ay itong search box kagaya ng makikita natin sa ating phone. Ito namang tatlong vertical lines ay list ng mga recent apps na na-open natin. Next is the home button. Tapping it, the screen will go back to the home page. Last here, hindi to less than sign but go back button. In case you open an app then you want to go back, simply click that. To the right is another set ng mga function. First ay itong para sa screenshot. Clicking that will save the screen to the gallery of the phone. Merong speaker icon dito. Obviously, ito ay sound. Tapping it will open the volume slider and the rest of the audio controls. Familiar icon here is for notification. Lahat ng notification on your phone ay makikita rito. Its notification pops up here on the lower right portion of the screen as soon as it is delivered. Next ay Wi-Fi icon, but this is for quick settings of the phone. Nakasali na rin ang Wi-Fi button. Then meron din ditong cellular signal indicator ng ating phone. Dalawa ito kasi dual SIM ang Note 20 Ultra ko. The battery percentage here, if you tap all of this ay magbubukas ang quick settings. Tapping the time and date will open the calendar. Balik tayo dito sa screen. Puntahan natin ang mga apps. First, dito tayo sa Google. We can play YouTube videos on DeX as well as YT Music. The sound you hear is not from the monitor but from my JBL reference monitors because my phone is wirelessly connected to the speakers via the V8 sound card. Meron akong previous video about the JBL reference monitors and a number of videos about this V8 sound card as well as the recent video dito sa aking bagong setup na ginamit ko ito as a desktop mini mixer. Nasa description ang mga links. I can open Gmail and compose email using the wireless keyboard. And of course, you can Google search here as DeX allows us to open a browser. You can maximize the windows to full screen and minimize again. Drag around the windows. Pwede i-lock ang isang window to always tap over the rest of the windows. I'm interested in the video editing. Let's try Adobe Premiere Rush here. Samsung has optimized the Premiere Rush on DeX and that's good para sa kagaya ko na nag-i-edit lang sa phone kasi mas malaki na ang screen. Kaso lang, kagaya sa phone screen, di rin maganda ang resolution ng display sa editing ng Premiere Rush. Try natin ang CapCut video editing app also. It also runs smoothly and tulad sa phone, maganda ang screen resolution ng editing display sa CapCut. By the way, it is advisable to set the settings of DeX to optimize it. Punta ka dito sa settings icon. Samsung DeX agad ang first choice dyan. Niremind tayo dito na we can connect DeX kahit wirelessly to a monitor or TV. That provided yung monitor or TV ay merong Bluetooth capability. We can try that here sa connect wirelessly. Sabi dito, not capable ang ating monitor. Andito rin yung auto start when HDMI is connected. Naka-on na yan. You can adjust the font on the screen according to your preference. You can also adjust the screen zoom, set the screen timeout from as soon as 15 seconds from inactivity to 30 minutes. You can choose the wallpaper on DeX home screen, select the desired display resolution. For this monitor, hanggang Full HD lang ito, DeX can support up to 4K resolution. Naka-on na ang app icon badges. Taskbar is all about the taskbar below. I don't like to auto-hide the taskbar. Pwede rin maglagay ng on-screen keyboard pero medyo clutter na sa display yan. I'd rather have the on-screen keyboard on the phone. When it comes to the physical wireless keyboard, looks like there's no delay. Mababa yung latency ng keyboard. You can also automatically set your phone as touchpad every time gagamit ka ng DeX by turning this option here. Pero kung may mouse ka naman, di mo na kailangan ang touchpad. The rest here are settings for the touchpad. The mouse is running good actually. At ito rin ang S Pen input mode. As I've said, mas pinili ko ang mouse mode kasi mahirap ang lumilitaw sa area under the pen mode. For default audio output, if you turn this on, dito sa monitor lalabas ang sound. Mas preferred ko sa phone kasi nakakonect sa aking JBL speakers. And the rest here is all about the Samsung DeX.
And mind you, hindi umiinit ang aking phone while using DeX. Umiinit lang ang aking phone kung naka-record at the same time because the battery condition of my phone is already deteriorating. I've been using DeX since this morning and it's been already 4 hours since I started using it. And there's no signs of letting up despite the not so good condition of my battery. I can actually transfer the videos that I have recorded on my phone while using the DeX. So ito yung last na na-record ko. Okay, I'll mark this one or I'll select these videos and I'm going to transfer these videos to the other album, move to the DeX album. Where's the DeX album? Ito lang DeX album. So, it's transferring. That's it. Okay. It's fast. Although, mamahalin ng mga Samsung phones na merong DeX features, but you can settle with the least expensive models or go for the older models like mine, Samsung Note 20 Ultra, the last of the Note series. Mukhang hanggang this year na lang yung security support ng Samsung on my phone. In fact, final ang OS iteration ng Samsung Note 20 Ultra, Android 13 One UI 5.1 mula sa Android 10 One UI 2.5 version 4 years ago. In other words, this will become cheaper yung phone ko within the year for lack of updates and upgrades from Samsung. Pero di ko pa to isusurrender. Magagamit pa itong aking phone with DeX. Para sa katanungan, pakilagay lang dyan sa comment section. Daghang salamat, bye!